At The Ohio State University College of Public Health, we empower you to turn your passion and knowledge into action, opening doors to full and healthy lives for all.
I walked into the public health building and I felt so welcomed. By week 2, everyone knew my name. I was walking into the building and people were saying, "Hi, Allie." And this just sense of welcoming and comfort really helped me feel like I had a place at such a big school.
My advisor connected me to an internship in the Office of Epidemiology at Columbus Public Health. After graduation, a position opened up and I was able to reconnect with my preceptor, who is now my director. And I work with a lot of the same people I met during my internship, still today in my position.
My medical school education, because there's so much you have to pack in just for like the knowledge you need to be a competent physician, you don't talk a lot about social determinants of health or kind of just taking that holistic approach to someone's health. My time at the College of Public Health allowed me to actually think about those things and process them, and also hear from my classmates that may have expertise in that.
Outside of the classroom, I have been able to take on so many opportunities as a researcher, a TA, even a public health student ambassador. And the College of Public Health really made it possible. They constantly have opportunities that they're offering for any student of any interest.
The value of public health is it gives us a freedom to walk in the world without wondering if our basic necessities are safe or not. It allows us to actually be healthy and achieve our biggest dreams. After graduating, how I kind of explain public health is what isn't public health, honestly. It touches all aspects of our life.
The College of Public Health really was able to put me in rooms that connected me with a lot of the family health and public health network in Columbus. If not for those connections that I made at the College of Public Health, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Your future in public health begins with purpose. Together, we break down barriers and transform lives. Start here at Ohio State's College of Public Health.